Hey guys, we're back with another video. Today we actually have a new account on my computer where we are using screen record. So, this is a new software thing, and we're going to be doing a rebuild. So we're using the screen record app. It's like Screen Recorder V. It's pretty cool. You might just have the notification in the corner. That's what it is. It's actually pretty nice. I like it. But what we're going to be doing is we're going to be recording a rebuild. Now, I obviously already got the Allen Iverson and the 85 overall for the training players, but we're going to be rebuilding with some packs we have. We don't have many good ones. We have the 2 Jelly Bean and the nickname player, which we were saving for last. So we're going to pop open this bonus pack. 91 or 61 and a big shot token. Check out this jersey pack. Now on mobile we were using a 102 Jamal Murray gameplay. Not bad. Not bad. Nice Cleveland jersey and a Memphis jersey. Claim this. So now we're just going to be quickly checking what we're going to get from this Jelly Bean pack, and I'm going to be explaining stuff from there. We got a Kuzma power forward. Ooh, that's actually nice. Add a position too. I did not mean to do that, but yeah. We got that Kyle Kuzma, and we got that 89 shooting guard, which will go up on our bench because we already had that 92. Allen Iverson. We might auction him off. I don't know. It just depends. Not the Allen Iverson. Alright, I'm not gonna look on this one. Hope there's an update team at the bottom. So no shooting guard. It was a shooting guard, but it was a better shooting guard. We got a Spider Mitchell, Donovan Mitchell. Updated that. Pretty nice ball. This is the team is looking. I would like to get a point guard there and the nickname pack, but it's fine. Doesn't really matter. This is how we're looking so far. 81 overall lineup. I'm going to rename this rebuild. So when we rename this, we're going to rename it rebuild. And I want to give a quick shout out to a basketball fan who is also one of my inspirations to making my channel with a bunch of my friends. He's a very good YouTuber, a very nice person. So go subscribe to him. I'm going to put his link in the description, so make sure to go check out his channel and subscribe. So like I said, this is going to be a rebuild and stuff. We're going to have to be doing a lot of this. So let's go check out that Marcus All in the sets. Oh. Alright, so we haven't been in the sets that much. Add these items. So here's our Marcus All. Go back to my team, check out his stats. There we go. Not really used to playing on this. These are stats, not the best. Obviously a shooting guard, add a position player, 7-1. This is actually a nice pull. I want to see how much he's gonna go for. Yeah, as you can tell, I cannot do much on this. So we're gonna have a rebuilding series on this, just like we usually do every season in NBA Live, so. Going for around 18,000, 17,000. Don't really see anyone even bidding for him, so I might just throw into some sets. Obviously pretty good stats for a center. And obviously 3-point rating, not the best, but pretty decent. I'm doing a touchscreen, so if I'm not really doing like using the mouse and stuff, whatever, I'm most likely going to be using that. So, check anything else. This is what's in the shop right now. As you get your cash and stuff. So I did get, like I said before, I did get that 101 or 102 Jamal Murray in the spring campaign. I would love to get an position pack, which I most likely won't get. 23,000. I'm at 2,000. So I'm not going to buy anything because this is just a rebuilding account. Just buy anything, it's not a rebuild. It's more like just buying than grinding. Got a bunch of stuff on here. I'm gonna do probably like how we do our daily videos. But we're gonna do daily videos. If we do 2 each week, we're probably gonna do 1 rebuild and 1 either gameplay or whatever we feel like doing with everyone. A bunch of good stuff here. So I think that's just gonna wrap it up. So like I said, go subscribe to Basketball Fan. Link in the description. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.